Missing someone. Good morning. I just got in the village again for the second time. I was here last in January. Yes, so we just got here today in the morning. Not today in the morning, just now, like 5 minutes ago. So we're going to our grandmother's compound. Okay, so if you see me wearing this and this, anytime you see me dressed like this, just know that I traveled by road overnight. So we traveled yesterday at night and we got here in the morning at 5:30 a.m. So yeah, that's I'm looking cute this morning, yani. My skin is flourishing. Just give me 3 days in this village and I'll be looking disheveled. Anyway, see you later. I'm going to see if this time around we can go for a boat ride with the fishermen. Okay? Okay. Let me just tell you, work doesn't end in the village. We have been working since morning. I'm from fetching water. I am tired. Wait. You don't know, just tell you the other day that nikitoka Ushago I would have parara today. I don't know what beat me here. I don't know what are these. I've just been here for 72 hours. And I look like this. I'm going to my grandmother's. I am tired. I've been sent the whole day. We've been cooking the whole day. I'm just going to show you the food that we've been cooking. Yeah? We've been slaying the kitchen. Huh? I lost my toothbrush. So this one, it's called Rocco. It's called Rocco. That is Luo. It tastes like mint and lemon. This is what I'm using to brush my teeth. Oh my goodness, my nails look really bad. Anyway, we don't care, we're in the village. This is what I'm going to use to brush my teeth today. Because now, it tastes nice. These are mixologists. Those that mix cocktails in the clubs. Should I bring you this? Huh? Should I? Yeah, it tastes like mint. Listen, I've been suffering in Nairobi with the face towel, those modern face towels that we used to wash our body. Eh? The body hasn't been scrubbed well. Now, I'm in the village. I just got this one. I want to wash it clean. This is what I'll use to scrub my body. Eh? And I know I'll notice some changes in my body. I'll use this one to scrub my body. That face, those face towels, those modern things, they're not good. They don't scrub the body well. Yeah. We are living the village.
Mommy.
I have sunburns. Baba, unataka kuongea na watu hapa kwa kamera? Unataka kusema hello?
Nasimia mamangu.
Unataka watu wasikie?
Nasimia mamangu.
Ndakukata. Nasimia mamangu. Nasimia mamangu. Unataka kuwasalimia? Yes, baba.
Kapiga pizza.
Unataka kupiga pizza?